you're gonna.
Oh, it came out right too.
They should have a flipping people off one.
Smile face was right side up too.
Was it? Rolling in your head like a something. How does that song go? Oh, that was a pretty one. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. The blanket's over there. Can you get it?
You got the keys.
Yeah, they're in my pocket. Ooh, that was cool. Do another.
Is that umbrella gonna block you?
I'm not getting. See, what I'm seeing is what it's videotaping.
Okay.
I'm not. When people are walking by, I'm not even getting that. Do another smiley face. Darn it. Oh, double smiley face.
Those are cool.
All right, now another heart.
That's cool. It's like little circles.
How much longer? Come on, jeez. Should have just done the video from the get-go. There's one over there now. Look over there, no, look over here. Doesn't feel very 4th of July without the bad music.
Got the what?
The music.
I know.
Did you get the blanket?
Yeah, it's under my arm.
I don't think it's folded right.
Look at it.
Oh, upside down smiley face. Look how it says. Oh, star!
Oh, cool.
Get one of those. Are we getting to the big kaboom, man? It's been going 4 minutes since I started videotaping them.
How long is the video take you to make?
Well, it's not even halfway. It's about a quarter of the way. It's probably about a... Ooh, is that another heart?
Add them away to go.
Oh, I missed those. Ooh, that was a good one. Getting to 5 minutes.
Now they're waterproof.
They're super
Oh,
fireworks.
Yeah. It's wet. It used to be if it was raining, they didn't have it.
Woo!
Still playing music.
Sing something, Megan. Where's the flag? Woo, flag. Firework. Flag. Firework. Getting up on 6 minutes. Probably runs about a 12-minute video.
Oh, heart. Heart again.
Oh, that's like a chicken. That reminds me, I want
Look
to.
at that good scar. The scar ones are kind of cool.
That's new. I've never seen those before.
Yeah.
Come on, big finale. Stop distracting us, other fireworks. What do these people realize that I'm completely over them? What is that supposed to be? What the heck was that? Now they're making weird symbols and there's fireworks over there.
Ooh. I think they're supposed to be different with the parade. Ooh. Cool looking. It's supposed to be looking different all around. Okay.
We're getting deadsy.
What?
Finale time. We all like, oh, finale. Hurry up or I'm not going to get it. Oh, my arm. Oh, people are getting all